Okay, I picked up this M&P Compact Handgun Cleaning Kit. Smith & Wesson makes it. They make the M&P series. Here's the information on the back. Just 22 to 45. See that there. I think there's that on the bottom side of the packaging. Okay, yeah, I picked this up because personally I carry the Shield Plus, and I needed to get something that's easy to travel with. So you know that'll work. Comes with all your standard stuff, you know. I'm sure most of you know this that are looking at this. Just pop that together. These are nice heavy duty rods. Have a little bit of weight to them. And then whatever you're using, you just put on the end if you're going to use your cleaner. And your bore, you know, you just dip it, push it through, whatever. Like I said, anybody watching this probably knows how to use this stuff. I just figured I'd show you what you get with it. So you get that. They give you some little patches, little manual. Well, I don't know if it's a manual. It says instructions. If you want to look at that, you don't get no cleaner with it. You get this brush, a little stiff, a little loose. I mean, it's not super stiff, but it feels pretty good. And then you're going to get your different. Just pull one of these out if I can get it. Get your different brass brush. Just trying to see. I don't know. They don't seem like they have them marked though. A lot of times they're marked. Or that my eyes aren't that good. I don't know. I might not be seeing it. But I don't know. I'm not seeing anything on there. Let me look at one of the bigger ones. I don't think it's going to make a difference. Because technically the rod size is going to be the same. Well, if there's something on there, I can't see it. I don't know, if you see it, let me know. But anyway, I mean, it gives you the size that it cleans. And then you get your other types of jags, or I don't know what the hell they call them. I suppose that's what they call them. So you just stick one of these on there and then push it through when you're cleaning it. And this is just a little pick type thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you get. But I mean, it's good enough. It'll serve its purpose. I mean, like I said, I have other cleaning kits, but they're bigger. I just thought this would be nice for you're out in the field somewhere and you maybe feel like you need to do a quick strip on your gun and give it a clean. It doesn't come with cleaner. You have to get some cleaner. Personally, I just use hops. It's what I've always used since I was a teenager. I mean, there might be better products out there. I don't know. It's just, I'm a creature of habit. That's what I've used. I mean, if you think there's something that you like to use more, put it in the comments. Let me know. I'll check it out. But it's nice. It's compact. It's not very big. Let's get a measurement on that. You're looking at whole kit's like maybe 6.5. wide parts by 4, 6.5 by 4. You're probably looking at what, 1 1/4 there, something like that. So it's pretty compact, easy to take with you. You'll probably even put it in a coat pocket or a back pocket, depending on what kind of clothes you're wearing. But yeah, okay guys.